In this video, you'll learn how to fix Slack login issues. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to troubleshoot and resolve common login problems, ensuring you can access your workspace without interruptions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during the process. Next, navigate to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once the page loads, you will see the Google search interface, which confirms you are in the right place. After that, locate the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. This icon represents the menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Now, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security in the menu. Click on this option to access various privacy settings related to your browsing experience. Once you are in the Privacy and Security section, find the option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on this to open a new dialog box that allows you to manage your browsing data. In the dialog box, ensure you select cached images and files. This option is crucial as it helps to clear any stored data that may be causing login issues. Confirm your selection before moving on. After you have made your selection, click on the Clear Data button. Depending on the amount of cached data, this may take a few moments. You should see a confirmation message once the data has been cleared. Now that the cache has been cleared, it's time to return to Slack. You can do this by entering the Slack URL in your browser or by clicking on the Slack application if you have it installed. If you are still experiencing login issues, you may want to consult the link provided in the description and pinned comment below. This link offers additional resources that can help you troubleshoot further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.